Morning, folks. This is Wednesday, the 26th of February, 6:20 a.m. here in the UK. Just have a look at this German DAX market, as you can see this morning. This is a weekly chart, and just puts things into perspective with exactly where we are. And you can see, if you look at the last correction we had, which occurred sort of last summer, August time, this is what we did. We had a high up here around 647, 12,647, and made a low of 11,255, dropped about 1,200 pips or so. That took quite a few more weeks than this is taking. We've only been down less than 2 weeks, and we've already done 1,200 points or so, 1,100 points already. You see what we've done now. We've come into this support, to previous support, came down, come back up, broke through the support, and now we're coming down and testing this support. But the pace of this decline is probably telling us it might want to do a little bit more. So we first really obviously went through that 382. That's telling us it's either retracing off this low, or maybe we are at some sort of major high. Early to tell yet. This is just the first couple of weeks into it. We'd expect some support here under normal circumstances. You'd expect to see a support around here. We've got the old high. We have bounced just over 100 pips off the low so far. That's not really anything. Come down and have a look at it on a lower time frame. To other extreme, this is your 15-minute, and you can see we're just having these little small rallies. That's all we've done again. Little 1.618 off that. Zoom in a little bit on it. We need to see if this is going to support. Obviously, you need to see it's made a little higher low here. Little inverse head and shoulder. We've had a rally. But all we've done is 1.618 off this. Oh, actually, just drawing it off there instead of there. That's okay. So let's do just 382 off here. If this is going to rally, folks, you've got to see it get above this high. And then you could probably get a nice snapback rally. You look for something. But I wouldn't want to be aggressively long yet. It's early days. Just you could probably, if you're still short, you probably might want to tighten this stock. Depends how much you're in profit really, and how much leeway you want to give it for a snapback rally. So what you do is look for probably a bigger time frame. I'll just clear everything off this chart. If it, see, this is probably still an AB swing, I believe. Just clear everything off so we can start with a clean chart. Take a look at it. Okay, so here we go. So let's put a few ratios on and see where we are. We see 1.27 off of that and that. I don't think that's a 382. Let's zoom in on it now and see what sort of retracement we'd look for. I don't think that was anything close to a 382. It might have been, no, not really. Look at this. This is the 4 hour. We need to even do a 236 off that. So I'd say if this is some sort of a low, if you've been short any of this move, I'd be locking profits at up here, because 13,000 is a big psychological number. So I think it'll struggle to get back above 13,000 before it pulls back again. Then we'll have it's early days to see if we're going to rally from here. But I'd certainly, if you're still short, you can either lock above this swing high if you wanted to. So let's have a look what the retracement is off this swing. Right, take this high and probably lock. Yeah, 786 and you 382. So if you're in a tidy profit, give it a bit of room because you could get a little snap. But I won't give them too much back above 13,000. But that's how you'll feel if you just want to cling on. That's up to you when you're doing this live. So everybody's different how you want to trade this. We have got our this low here is slightly lower than that, so you could argue we've got a 5-point expanding reverse wave, which you could expect it to rally off. If we have a look what's going off in Asia quickly, you can see that the Hang Seng's up. Oh, sorry, Hang Seng's down. Nikkei's up to 166. That's interesting. Quick look at that one. No, there we go. quick look. Hang Seng is rallying. Zoom in on that a little bit. It's just a it's early days, just a bounce, isn't it, at the moment? Just took a slightly take 9618, 707 maybe. Okay, so like a daily chart. Quick look. So if it this, yeah, we've just extended these CD legs, didn't we? And we've bounced, so that's interesting. Little bounce there, little bounce. Early days yet, but yeah, so keep a close eye on it. But what Dow's done, Dow's 27.2. It did, I think it just about held 27,000, the Dow. Just have a zoom in, let's have a look. Yes, it held the 27,000. Again, this is still just the first leg lower, but we have taken out what we did. We'll look at the weekly again on here. Get the bigger picture. You also look at the bigger picture when you see big sell-offs like this, and then it helps you put it into perspective for you. This was the last big swing move. I think we've at least equaled that, haven't we? I'll just measure that one. High to the low. And we have extended that. You can tell straight away we've extended that. Line up a bit so we can see it. And it's exceeded that last swing, hasn't it, on the Dow? And 618, actually 618 off this one. You'd have a look where your 382, or there might be, have a look where you are off this one as well. See where we are. So you see 50% off that one. So if you have a look what it's done off the low down here, which was last December 2018's low, and the 382 on that comes in here, down another 100 points from the low here. So it's down another 600 points from where we are now. It'd take you to the 382 off of that one and the 61% off of that one. So that's where we are. It's only Wednesday, folks, so it is early days. But that's what I'm seeing this morning. So not for the faint of heart, folks, but just keep also look at your bigger picture, keep things in perspective, because if you start watching news, you think it's, oh my God, don't you? But it's not too bad. So that gives you the bigger picture. But we're expecting this anyway. The patterns are telling us we're going to get some sort of reversal. So whether this is a major top or not, it's early to say. It's all going to hinge on what happens. Once we start taking out these lows and getting sort of down into this area, and you've got to think to yourself, think. So it's just a case of trade what you see and not what you think. Okay, so that's what we're seeing in equities. So take care, folks. Take care and good luck with your trading. Sorry about yesterday, I had no internet. Not to worry. Okay, folks, so speak soon.